Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will give introduction to XML schema. So, what is an XML schema? The purpose of an XML schema is to define the legal building blocks of XML document, just like a DTD. An XML schema defines elements that can appear in a document. It defines attributes that can appear in a document. It defines which elements are child elements. It also defines the order of child elements. XML schema defines whether an element is empty or it can include text. It defines data types for elements and attribute. And last, it also defines default and fixed value for elements and attributes. So, this is the XML schema. XML schema are the successor of DTDs. We think that very soon XML schema will be used in most web applications as a replacement of DTDs. Here are some reasons. XML schemas are extensible to future editions. XML schema are richer and more powerful than DTDs. XML schema are written in XML. XML schema support data types and XML schemas support namespaces. So these are the various advantages of XML schema. XML schema support data types. One of the greatest strengths of XML schema is the support of data types. With support of data types, it is easier to describe allowable document content. It is easier to validate the correctness of data. It is easier to work with data from a database. It is easier to define data fast restriction on data. It is easier to define data patterns, means data formats. It is easier to convert data from one data type to another data type or between different data types. So these are the various advantages and brief introduction of XML schema. Thank you.